Hi there, welcome back for another Market Glance, a Forex outlook brought to you by Dukascopy TV and investing.com. First up, we take a look at Forex, and as Asian trade opened early on Monday, the euro had gained following the results of the ECB stress tests that were released over the weekend, which were better than most expected and showed some financial health. Euro dollar traded at 126.74, up 0.04%. The final result from the stress tests concluded that a further $12.7 billion needed to be raised. The biggest problems with central banks being found in Italy, Cyprus and Greece. The euro had already found some strength over the dollar on Friday as German consumer confidence improved. Elsewhere, on Monday morning, Japanese yen dollar traded 0.07% up at 108.23, and Aussie dollar US dollar traded at 0.8805, up by 0.15%. Next up, and early trading in Asia this Monday has resulted in a loss for Asian shares. The cause being a delay for a trading program which would have allowed more foreign investment into mainland China. The program would have linked Shanghai and Hong Kong, however the reason for the delay being that the program still hadn't received regulatory approval. No new launch date has been set as of yet. Shares of the Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing Limited had risen by 33% since mid-April when this program was first announced, despite the Hang Seng Index dropping 1.3% in that time. However, after the delay, shares have slumped by 3.4%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index was 1.2% lower after the delay, while the Shanghai Composite was down by 0.7%. Now, as we take a look at oil, it's the European Central Bank stress tests that have had the biggest impact as trading opened in Asia. Crude oil prices eased on the New York Mercantile Exchange, as WTI futures for delivery in December traded at 0.13% lower at $81.20 a barrel. Last week, we saw global oil prices shoot up as reports stated that Saudi Arabia had cut crude oil production by 328,000 barrels last month. However, prices soon dropped the following day when it was discovered that barrels were merely put into storage. On Friday, the global benchmark of Brent oil futures fell to $86.13 a barrel on the Intercontinental Exchange. And finally, the ECB stress tests have once again had the biggest impact, this time on gold, in early Asian trading this Monday. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold prices eased slightly as gold futures for December delivery traded at $1,230.20 a troy ounce, down 0.06%. Gold futures were edging up slightly towards the end of last week, but overall prices were down as the potential of a Federal Reserve interest rate hike is still weighing heavy on the price of gold. Also on the COMEX, silver futures for December delivery traded down 0.07% by the close of trade. Well, that's everything for this Market Glance. Thanks for watching, and make sure you tune in next week. Goodbye.